Hi boys, have a wonderful day. I am EA. Today we are going to learn what? Birds. The birds full of nature. Well, this one is pigeon, parrot, lovely, beautiful, always to be seen flying over there. Sparrow, peacock. That is peacock. What? Peacock. That is duck. Duck. That one is duck. Hen with a chicken, such as that one is hen chicken. Chicken of the hen. That is crow. What? Crow. And eagle, be careful, you're a kid. That is vulture. It's been commonly known as ugly bird, but that's nice. I don't think so. Hawk. Seagull. Be careful, okay? Seagull. It's ostrich with a baby ostrich. Wow, beautiful, lovely. Ostrich. It's owl. Owl. That is quail. What? Quail. Skylark. Swan. That is swan. Woodpecker. It's not funny. Woodpecker. The last one is egret. That's all for now. Thanks for being with EA. Do not forget to do what? Comment what do you want so that we could do something for you. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.